Hi, I'm glad you came on. I thought I'd show you this mini album I made using Tonic Studios Memories to Cherish, and also using the Graphic 45 paper pack Sunshine on My Mind. I did use both the A and the B papers for that. I'm just showing you the page with 2 flips. The next page has 3 flips. It's got, two more flips, different sizes. And then I also matted some photo mats there, as you can see. And I have that cute little belly band, and I'm using the little embellishments that I also bought with the pack. I'm showing you how I used a photo mat to create the closure there. And then I just used some corners that I had that was another Tonic Studios die. As you can see in the paper collection, it's just adorable. I've got these little tiny booklets for journaling. Very cute. And then there's plenty of space to put pictures in this album. The next page, as you can see, is waterfall. I also used the rub-ons that I bought with this kit, or this set actually. I love that feature. I think it's really pretty. And then on this page, it's a pull-out, and I can get at least 7 to, I don't know, depending on the picture size, quite a few pictures on this. And I did mat some of the pages. Other ones I just left plain because I really like to show off the paper. This, of course, is a pocket. I took a vellum envelope and I used the rub-ons, and I decorated this envelope to hold ephemera. And then, of course, these are the cut-aparts that came in the paper pack. I just love these. I think the pictures are so gorgeous. So I made a photo mat and then also little journaling spaces, I guess you could say. And then over here, I have a flip up and a flip down page. I left this one kind of plain. Used a rub-on and used some stickers. This is also my last page, and it has stickers from the collection on it. And then on the back, of course, I used a sticker from the collection. And then here on the spine, I used the chipboard ephemera pieces. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day. Please subscribe if you haven't. Goodbye.